What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dontavious, aka DT, and today we got a sneaker unboxing and sneaker reveal for this new shoe I just picked up. I've never had a shoe like this before, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like, see what it feels like, and just change up the drip a little bit. I got a suit on right now because I just came from a meeting. I'm feeling real fresh and real sharp, but I wanted to drop a video for y'all, so let's get into it. So we're gonna start with the unboxing of this product. See if I need any scissors or can I just pull it. Okay. All right. Oh, it came with some candy. So these, I'm getting to the candy a little bit, but this is the 997 New Balance 997 Workforce. That's the name of the shoe. I already knew what the name of the shoe was, but I was hoping I could read it off the side of the shoe. But let's go ahead and do some unboxing of this sneaker, let y'all get a good look. Those materials on there. Get a good look at that. All right, it's time to get for real. But yeah, it came with some trolley like gummy worms, man. That's pretty neat. I never got some shoes that came with something like this, like some candy, bro. Like, I just feel like that's so premium and like, you know what I'm saying? And this shoe, let's get into this shoe, man. Look, I ain't even gonna lie, man. The quality of this shoe, like just holding it and feeling it, like this shoe feels premium. This was a $98 shoe with tax. $98, less than $100 out of my pocket for this premium looking shoe. I got it because it looks very different and it has a bunch of different color blocking on it, and I just really think it's really wavy. It was giving me kind of Puma / Yeezy vibes with all the different color blocking that the shoe has. So that's one reason why I picked it up. I actually discovered it on Instagram when I was scrolling. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Dontavious Hill 3. Follow your boy, man. We going up. But yeah, I actually saw this shoe on Instagram when I was scrolling, and I love the way that the person laced the shoe. Like right now, this is not how the shoe will be laced when I'm wearing it, but when you lace it up correctly, it looks really nice. And other than that, this is a nice looking shoe, man. It got this stitching on the back. It has the Cordura fabric, which is like a premium style fabric. My Supreme bag also has this same stitching on it. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So same as this one says Cordura fabric on it. My Supreme bag also says Cordura fabric, like the same tag on it. So yeah, this is some premium stuff. Like this ain't no, and this shoe for the low too. You know what I'm saying? Like, but yeah, I copped it because it looks just so wavy, dog. I can't wait to put this on. I'm gonna show y'all the on-feet look of this sneaker as well. Let's just go through the shoe a little bit. Let's just start with the bottom of the shoe. So the shoe has two different colors. It has the gum and white bottom. I'm really feeling it. The fact is, this gum bottom of this shoe, it goes up the side and it goes into the white midsole, which kind of adds to the shoe. So I like that. But some of my favorite, I ain't gonna even get into my favorites yet, but let's continue on the midsole of the shoe. On the midsole of the shoe, you see you got the red color blocking right here, and you have basically the light blue color blocking on the side, but it goes all the way around the back. So to give it that smooth vibe, that smooth feel. And yeah, it also says New Balance right here. All right, continuing on, man. Let's get into these fabrics, man, and the different stitching on this shoe, like what it feels like. Okay, so we're gonna start right here with this brown piece right here. This piece feels like jeans, like kind of like a linen. Like this brown piece right here is kind of like a linen. That's kind of what I'm getting the vibe from it, like some jeans and But yeah, I think that's really nice. Honestly, got some stitching on it right below the Cordura. And then when we go in here to this cream surface right here, this is actually suede. This cream one right here, this is suede all around this New Balance logo right here. This is suede and it feels really nice. And as we go around to the front of the shoe, this is also suede, but it's made out of a different material than this piece. This is also suede. And this in here is also, this is the Cordura fabric, the actual Cordura fabric brand right here across the front, the toe box right up in here. But as you go around, you can kind of see, you can kind of see on this shoe, like right below this suede, there's like a different, there's like a, what's it called? Like a different pattern right below it. And let's get into the tongue, man. Let's get into that tongue, dog. When I bought the shoe, I didn't even realize it had like this little hook on the tongue. I think that's different. I can do without it, but I think it's different. Has the New Balance logo right there, NB, and name of the shoe, 997H Workforce. That's what it is. But yeah, on this side of the shoe, you can kind of see it. If you zoom in, you can see the NB, the New Balance on this side as well. And let's just look at this beautiful piece. Look at this masterpiece, man. When I bought this shoe, I didn't know what it was gonna look like when it came in. I knew what it looked like over the pictures on Instagram, but I didn't know what it would look like when it got here. And I must say, I am not disappointed. NB on the back. And yeah, my favorite things about this shoe is the fact that it has so many colors on it, and it has the red, like that red on the inside of the shoe, and like just the little tad piece of red color blocking right here. All of that stuff was very unique to me, and it brought the shoe out, and it kind of made me feel like this was a premium looking shoe for less than $100, which is why I copped it. And from the looks of it, this probably won't be my last pair of these 997H New Balances, honestly. This won't be my last pair. I ain't gonna even lie. First, I gotta buy my girl some because we match kicks. Every time I get a pair of kicks, she gets a pair of kicks because we match our shoes because we're both into shoes. But not only that, I'm gonna have to get some different colorways because I already got some colorways in mind that I want to get in this shoe. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and do it, man. Like after I wear this around a little bit, first I gotta get my girl shoe. I already said that one time. But when we start wearing these, man, sheesh. Look at the shoestrings on it though. Shoestrings got like some little brown linen stitching on it. It's different. And then I may even trade the shoestrings out if I want to, you know. It looks different whenever you trade the shoestrings out. These don't even look like some shoestrings I might want to keep in the shoe, honestly. Yeah, they don't look like, no. Probably won't keep those in the shoe. But just overall, man, loving this kick, man. I can't wait to put it on my foot. I'm going to give y'all the on-feet look at this shoe. All right, YouTube, that was my review on this new sneaker I just caught, man. I love this New Balance. I definitely recommend that you buy it because it's such a small purchase, less than $100, and it's a nice premium looking shoe to get with some good materials on it. So yeah, definitely recommend this shoe. New Balance 997H. What's up, y'all? Thank y'all for tuning into the video, man. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and please make sure to like the video if you haven't already. This is a track content channel, so y'all know we have track meet vlogs coming every week, but I also like to share some of my fashion and sneaker content as well. So I hope y'all enjoyed that, and yeah, we out of there.